Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change your WordPress profile icon. So in this right side top corner, click here, then click on edit profile. Now here guys, you will see this dashboard. Click on change. Here is the profile picture. You can change your profile picture on gravatar. Click on it. Now here click on create your gravatar. Create your account, and if you have already account, so just click on already have a WordPress account. Sign in with your Gmail or email password. Now here guys, you will see this dashboard. Here you can remove your image. You can add another image and also add a new image from here. Upload new or post. Choose file. Click on open. Then click on next. Then click on crop. So this is the your new WordPress profile picture. Then click on set rating. So this way guys, you can change your profile picture. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.